Difference between I and me. I and me are both pronouns we use to talk about ourselves, but they are used in different grammatical roles within a sentence. I is a subject pronoun. This means it is used when the person speaking is doing the action. For example, I am going to the store. Use I when you are the one performing the action. Me is an object pronoun, which means it is used when the action is being done to you. For example, she called me. The gift was for Sarah and me. Use me when you are the one receiving the action. In summary, a simple trick: remove the other person's name to check correctness. For example, John and me went sounds wrong when you say me went. But she gave it to John and I is also wrong. She gave it to I is incorrect. The correct sentence is she gave it to John and me.